What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you guys can see, it's well, not 9:21, this is like an hour behind, so it's 8 something right now. We're currently picking up an exhaust for my car. It's a Tomei. I got it for a really good price, so that's the reason I'm gonna go get it right now on New Year's. Shout out, well, first I'm gonna go check it out, and then, you know, if I get it, then we'll continue this video. If not, that means I didn't get it. So
how's Lito?
oh yeah,
How's a little cuz?
the guy that he's been on our channel a few times. I don't know if you guys recognize the GTI
Lito? From work probably?
from Popeyes.
Yeah. Also, happy New Year's, guys. Hope you guys had a good one. And stay safe, hubby.
Stay safe, yeah, even though you guys probably drink.
Yeah, but we're gonna check it out right now, and then hopefully Brian buys it, and then yeah, we'll show you guys the cops.
Yeah, I hope you want to troll them.
What are you leaning on, B? What do you?
If you know, you know. Bag secured.
Yes, sir. Check it out, titanium.
Shout out to my boy. I actually knew him from high school, so you know, shout out to the fat ass plug, bro. If you're watching this, appreciate you.
If you're watching this,
what do you want to say, Jay?
can't wait till I help Brian install this shit so we can hear that the Subi.
So yeah, a little information about this exhaust. So I guess he had a resonator on it, just because it was I think he got stay rep instead. So you know, but me and Jason, we're gonna take that shit off because, you know, fuck it. We like being loud sometimes, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna take it to my boy Andy over there at what's it called? Andy's Mufflers?
No, Classic Mufflers.
Classic Mufflers.
San Jose, were those?
Yeah,
that's
so,
that's the boy right there.
Me and Jay are gonna install this maybe tomorrow or Monday, and then maybe later on along the week we'll take it to the shop, get that shit taken off, and then just get a piece welded in there and shit, or
yeah,
you know, let Andy do his magic and see how loud it shit is. I mean, we'll show you how it sounds with the resonator on, but also without it.
yes, sir. We'll see you guys tomorrow or Monday. It is now the next day, guys.
January 1st. To be
Oh
exact.
yeah. Happy New Year. We're gonna show you guys the Tomei right now that there's some light, since last night it was hella dark. But here's the exhaust, and this is what Brian was telling you guys about the resonator that the guy added. But it's all good. We'll just go to take it off at the muffler shop. But this is in pretty good condition. It has little like scratches, but no dents or anything like that. It didn't really get scraped, hubby.
Pretty good condition, like Jason said.
For a really good price.
Yeah, like I said, good price.
B couldn't pass up on that.
Yeah.
I told him.
That was the last time last money, and I just spent it on the exhaust.
So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, all that shit, so B can buy more car parts, and me too, not just him. Huh? But yeah, we're gonna get started right now. Got the setup right here. Brian's gonna hate me right now when he gets back. So I got this shit off right now, but I actually before I took it off, I sent Brian to go get some WD-40 because I thought I was gonna need some for the hangers, but I was able to get it off without using some WD-40. I want to see what he says right now when he gets back. He's probably gonna be mad. I sent him to the store for no reason, but yeah, this shit was, it's not too hard. All you gotta do is take off the 2 bolts and nuts right here, and then you move down to this hanger, and then you go to the other 4 in the back, and that's it, and it comes off. You do gotta like wiggle it around and shit to get the back hangers off, but it's not too hard. But yeah, now I'm gonna wait for Brian, and then we'll throw this on and should be ready to go. I'm all dirty and shit, but fat ass mufflers compared to that one. And then also the piping on this is like I'd say like a 2 1/4 or 2 1/2, and this is a 3, I think. But yeah, let's wait for Brian. All right, so Brian's kind of mad because I sent him to get some WD-40 for no. Nah, I just keep. He also brought some little Red Bulls. We're about to go play after. Huh?
Go hide that shit for me real quick.
Go hide it. I waited for him so we can install this together, but yeah. Alright guys, so the exhaust is now on. As you guys can see, Tomei is on. We're gonna jack it down right now. And we're gonna let you guys hear a cold start. There's B. Nice piping, titanium. That's your screw or what, B?
Yeah, it looks sick.
Fat ass fucking cannon.
Should I put everything away?
Yeah.
You know, lowering the car, the exhaust is on, as you guys can tell. And we're about to give it its first start. It's cold, so.
Cold start. Louder than before, for sure.
Huh?
Louder than before, yeah.
Look how that was gonna be louder, huh?
Yeah, me too. It's because it has that fucking resonator and the cat still. It's still restricted because of the cat and the fucking resonator. We're gonna let it warm up a little and then give it a few revs. Go.
So guys, so this is the day after we installed the exhaust. We did show you guys a few clips of how it sounds, but so far I don't think we showed it enough. So we're here, just gonna freaking out real quick at the end. So we're gonna give you some revs. Ready?
Yeah. Do like 3K to see it. There, little pops.
So yeah, as you guys can tell, it's not too loud. But we'll be taking care of that soon, because I don't know when, but I'm gonna be getting a J pipe for this, so it could, you know, open up more and be a lot louder than what it is now.
Yeah. So it can sound like a jet. Huh. It definitely sounds better though. Not too loud right now, but it has a better tone and shit. Huh.
More deep.
Yeah. Sounds more like a Subaru now.